To add a Netflix profile on your iPhone, start by opening the Netflix app. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the More icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Account option from the menu that appears. You will be taken to a web page where you need to sign in to your Netflix account. Enter your email and password associated with your Netflix account and tap on the Sign In button. After signing in, scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Tap on the Add Profile option. You will be asked to create a new profile by entering a name for the profile. Enter a name for the new profile and tap on the Next button. You will then be asked if the new profile is for a kid, which determines the content restrictions and viewing options for that profile. Choose the appropriate option and tap on the Save button to create the new profile. You can switch between profiles by going back to the More menu and tapping on the profile icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with all the available profiles, including the new one you just created. Tap on the profile you want to switch to. It is essential to note that each profile can have its own viewing history, ratings, and content restrictions. This feature is particularly useful for families or shared accounts, as it allows each user to have their own personalized Netflix experience. By following these steps, you can easily add a new Netflix profile on your iPhone and enjoy a more personalized viewing experience.